People are eating mindfully, people are eating right, but their gut is not good. Then the nutrition absorption is very slow. Eating right is going to help you lose weight, remain healthy, help your medical conditions. But you have to train your mind and body on what macros and micros you should be eating every day. I am not going to tell you कि Monday आप पोहा खाओ, Tuesday आप उपमा खाओ, Wednesday. You have to listen to your body. You have to follow your lifestyle. You have to follow your schedule. Accounts में होता है इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंस इक्वल्स टू सेविंग. यहाँ पे न्यूट्रिशन में उल्टा है कि आपका एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर अगर ज़्यादा है और एनर्जी इनकम है तो आप वेट लॉस करोगे.
Hi everyone, I'm Malay and welcome back to BU Business Education Unfiltered, powered by Caliac Studios. In a world of quick fixes and fad diets, finding a sustainable path to wellness can be extremely tough. But our guest today, Baljeet, is changing that narrative. She is a leading nutrition and lifestyle coach and the founder of Aura Nutri Heal. She's built a successful business and helped countless people transform their lives with her science-backed approach. Let's dive straight in. Baljeet, welcome to the show and thanks for giving your time. To start off the questions, I would like to ask what exactly inspired you to become a nutrition and lifestyle coach?
Yeah, thank you, Malay. Thank you for having me here today. So before I answer your question, I would like to tell you something about myself.
Yeah.
So I'm an NSTC certified nutrition and lifestyle coach. And in my podcast today, you are going to hear this word so many times, nutrition and lifestyle coach, because that is my passion. And I would be emphasizing a lot on why nutrition and lifestyle coaching.
Yeah.
So I'm a government certified nutrition and lifestyle coach. My expertise is weight management and clinical nutrition. I must have helped more than 100 patients in last 3 to 4 years to manage and reverse their diabetes. That's what I proudly share here.
Nice.
And not only weight, but when it comes to prevent and correct medical issues, we should always think about nutrition and lifestyle coaching. So in Mumbai, I have 7 years of experience. I had been working with a lot of doctors and health professionals in collaboration, because nowadays there is a lot of awareness. Then when it comes to medical issues, along with medical intervention, nutrition also plays a very vital role, even lifestyle, right? So we are going to talk a lot about it. When you talk about my journey as a nutrition and lifestyle coach, so this is something which started from myself. So I was working with a corporate for more than 12 years, okay? And I was never less than 90 kgs.
Wow.
Yeah, I must have tried all the diets in the world, everything, keto, intermittent, what not, all the quick fixes, everything I must have tried. And because I had a lot of health issues, my father is a thalassemia minor. I always used to have iron deficiency. I had PCOS. I had many other, genetic obesity. And there were a lot of medical issues related to that. And obviously, when you are in a corporate, your lifestyle is sedentary. So the first thing which comes to your mind is when you approach a dietitian. Whenever I used to approach a dietitian, my first statement was, I want to lose 10 kgs in 3 months. That is the statement now my patients say, but that was my approach. Every time in my mind, it was losing weight. Correct. Right? So there was a point of time when my husband wanted to move to Mumbai from Pune, because he started working for bigger corporates. And that is where I thought of taking a break from corporate life, because my daughter was just 2.5. So it was a little overwhelming for her, because we were moving from one city to another city, from joint family to a nuclear family, no network at all. So I thought of giving a lot of time to her. So I took a break from my corporate job. And that is where I started reading about nutrition, and I enrolled with a coach in US, who used to talk about adopting right nutrition as your lifestyle. Now, this is something I had never heard of. Because whenever you talk about nutrition, this is always about losing weight, gaining weight, leaving some carbohydrates for a while, or something which is a quick fix, right? So this was something new. and I really liked it. And that was the time not only I was happy, but my entire family was happy because I started eating. So I come from a pure vegetarian family,
Oh,
and हमारा comfort food ही है दाल
दाल
चावल
चावल
रोटी
रोटी।
सब्जी, right? And
Yes.
सुबह उठ के एक कप चाय, शाम को एक कप चाय, यही आपका comfort है. अब most of the diets में हम ये भी नहीं खाते थे. Because all the time you are told to leave that if you want to lose water weight. Now he told me how in abroad people have very fast life. They will have burger in one hand, black coffee in one hand, and they'll keep moving, and इतना ज़्यादा quick fixes के पीछे वो नहीं है. So he started telling me, Baljit, you start eating everything, and the first question which comes to your mind, खाने से weight बढ़ेगा. Right? So I did that course for 3 to 4 months, and Malay, you will be surprised that I lost 7 kgs while I
Wow.
was eating 3 times better than before, 3 times
Wow.
more than before.
Wow.
And that is what changed my life. Right? My husband was so happy that finally I can plan outing with you. Whenever we used to go for dinner or any social event, and I used to starve, I used to crave. And when you are starving for a very long period of time, it doesn't only hit you physically, it hits you mentally also.
Yeah.
All the
100%.
time in your mind, you start spoiling your relation with food. Every time you think ये खाने से वेट बढ़ता है, ये खाने से ये होता है, you start tagging foods, good as bad.
Yeah.
तो ये चेंज हो रहा था and weight loss हो रहा था. Not only that, there was a different level of confidence. My nails, my skin, my hair, everything started changing.
Yeah.
And my husband was, I am seeing a different you. I am seeing a happier you. When you are sitting at home, why don't you start studying? You start getting deeper into this. So that is where I had a word with my coach and I enrolled for a course. And that was basics of nutrition.
Got it. But was there any turning point in your career that you said, of course, you were 90 kgs and like doing a
Yes,
corporate job, but
yes.
like what specifically was going on, or like what was that turning point?
So corporate job में as a mother एक ये तो रहता ही है guilt कि you're not giving enough time to your child. Also, you're not giving enough time to yourself. So many times I enrolled for different diets, but I never had time to work out. So everything else in the life was more important and overwhelming other than me. So that was also a turning point. I started considering myself as the first priority.
Yes.
I started spending quality time with my daughter. So I thought ki if this can be a turning point for me, this can change my life. Why cannot for others? There are so many people around us in my family itself. So I used to see so many people struggling with the same issue. Yeah. So my family, my father never knew that nutrition can help with this condition. जब भी आयरन डेफिशिएंसी होता है आप सप्लीमेंट स्टार्ट करते हो, आईवी ले लेते हो, बट यू नेवर थिंक दैट इट ऑल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम योर किचन. It all starts from your lifestyle coaching. So it's not that I was not happy in my job, but it was a life turning situation where I was seeing that I am a happier person. I'm a very confident person. And एक बार जब वो पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दिया तो I went deeper into that clinical nutrition, advanced clinical nutrition, sports nutrition, then lifestyle nutrition, up lifestyle. So how can you adopt nutrition as your way of life? Nutrition is not something which you'll do for 3 months, 6 months, and then you will go back to your lifestyle. It has to be a way of life. And when I started reading this in depth, you'll be surprised to know that it's nothing else but the basic वो nutrition का pyramid हम लोग 4th 5th standard में पढ़ते हैं. But the point is we never take it seriously. We never understand. We have never, maybe our parents also didn't tell us कि आप ये थाली को ऐसे देख के खाओ कि इसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ये होता है, प्रोटीन ये होता है, फैट ये होता है, मैक्रोस माइक्रोस क्या. This is not there in our Indian culture that we educate our children for that. Right? So whatever your parents are doing, that becomes your lifestyle as well. That Correct. Is where everything starts, right? So I started giving free sessions on mindful eating.
Oh.
Because I was sitting at home. Then there is a phase called free transformation patients, FTP. So I used to have 10 patients in my team, and I used to help them transform.
Oh.
And that gave me confidence. And everything changed when in 2020, I decided that I want to appear for India Nutrition Olympiad.
Wow. Okay.
And I just thought कि पढ़ा है तो देखते हैं यार, where do we stand?
Yeah.
So I just appeared for it, and Malay, you'll be surprised that we were in top 15
Wow.
in India. And that is where I felt कि यार, I have to practice this because I cannot go back to my job now. And by then, following the basic science, mindful eating, and because we have these carbohydrates, protein, we never know that in सबका एक role है body में, and we need everything. We don't have to give up on one thing for achieving something.
Yeah.
And I had already lost 22 kgs by then.
What? Wow.
Yeah, along with studying and all. So everything changed around me. People, you started, आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप हमें भी बताओ. So, and when I used to go for socializing in my family, they were surprised that I'm eating.
Wow.
I used to enjoy my food. I had a different relationship with my food. So that is where I felt I should, start the full-fledged practice. And I started collaborating with doctors. Earlier, it was little slow. I used to go in their clinics. Right now, we are associated with more than 45 doctors in Mumbai.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
That's so if you have to describe your journey so far in 3 words, what would that be?
Even if I don't talk about only nutrition, so if I have to describe Baljeet, I think clarity, consistency and confidence is what is Baljeet.
Amazing.
Because jab itna it was like I was working in one corporate for 12 years. I started from Ahmedabad. I'm basically from Ahmedabad. Promoted to Pune after marriage. I was a branch head. So when you are leaving such a good job and you are starting something of your own, you must, आप सोच सकते हो कि कितने लोगों ने इन्फ्लुएंस किया होगा, why the hell you are leaving this? मतलब इतना अचीव करने के लिए आपको 10-12 साल लग जाते हैं. तो I am always clear in my thoughts what I want to do. And I'm again blessed because when I am clear, my husband is always there by my side. Nice. If you're happy, please do it. Yes. Right? So we don't have ifs and buts. And because I am clear, I feel I'm very determined that this is what is going to, change my life or help me or achieving what I want to achieve. Then what I feel is whatever you are doing in your life, even if we talk about nutrition, even if you talk about business, consistency is must.
Yeah, 100%.
Right? तो consistency की वजह से आपको जो goals achieve करना है या आपने जो सोचा है आपको achieve करना है, आप achieve करते हो और आपको different level of confidence रहता है. Whatever I did for my health conditions today, I had a goal. You'll be surprised. I, as a human being, obviously I wanted to look good, lose weight, but I always wanted to have zero medicine life. Right? So today I am confident that I have zero medicine life. All my conditions are reversed. Wow. Nobody can think that, I didn't had any treatment, I didn't had any medical intervention. But because of this lifestyle change, because of this nutrition change, but what played important role was consistency. If I was not consistent in what I am doing, I would have never achieved this. Yeah. So, and when you achieve this, there is a different level of confidence. And वो जो confidence रहता है, वो कितने लोगों को inspire करता है. That they should also bring that change in their life. So for me, it is clarity, consistency and confidence always.
3 C's of Baljeet.
Yes. Yes.
Nice. Okay, so in the market, there are a lot of quick fix diet plans that are there, so these are definitely not sustainable. So how do you differentiate your coaching from the quick fix diets that are there?
So Malay, again, I will share a little background with you. When 7 years back, I started with this and everybody wanted that, I should tag myself as a dietitian. And that time there was not a lot of buzz around this, category that nutrition and lifestyle coaching jaisa kuch hota hai. Either it is dietitian or it is nutritionist, right? Yeah. But because I had that kind of experience with myself, I always used to relate my story with other people. I wanted to make it clear that nutrition and lifestyle goes hand in hand.
Correct.
It cannot be only with diet.
Yeah.
There are certain lifestyle factors which are to be considered for sure. So if
Yeah.
you're eating right but if you're not sleeping well, if you're eating right but if you're not exercising, आजकल आप Facebook खोलते हो, YouTube खोलते हो तो कितने ads आते हैं
Yeah.
कि no exercise, no diet, still you can lose weight. How can you lose weight? Right? So if you are doing that, it can be only for a period of while that you are losing some water weight. And then I said, I want to call myself as a nutrition and lifestyle coach. And the first statement I used to tell my patients, they used to approach me and they used to say, I want to lose 10 kgs. Yeah, that is where, because आप dietitian को approach ही कब करते हो? आप तब approach करते हो जब कुछ alarming है body में, आपके डॉक्टर ने बोल दिया कि आपको वेट लॉस भी करना पड़ेगा, या आपके घर में कोई माइलस्टोन इवेंट है, यू वांट टू फिट इन योर ओल्ड क्लोथ्स. Nowadays so there are so many right, they want to lose weight very fast because there is some event. So they used to tell me and I used to tell them, if you want to lose 10-15 kgs in 3 months, I am not a good dietitian for you. And they used to feel bad because, and a lot of people came and told me, doctors told me, ये lucrative नहीं होगा business if you are telling this.
Yeah.
Right? But the point is that before starting something new, if you're not setting the expectation right,
Yeah.
right? If I have to help them lose 10-15 kgs in 3 months, again I have to follow something quick fix.
Yeah.
कि आप राइस मत खाओ, रोटी मत खाओ, दूध की चीजें मत लो, शुगर मत लो एंड वेट लॉस करो, राइट? बट द पॉइंट वाज टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस व्हाट आई फेस्ड others should not face. I spent a lot of money, I spent a lot of time, but other than that it used to hit me mentally very badly. एवरी टाइम मैंने 7-8 किलो वेट लॉस कर लिया, 10 किलो वेट लॉस कर लिया, 12 किलो भी वेट लॉस कर लिया, बट द डे आई गो बैक टू माई लाइफ स्टाइल दैट वेट ऑल्सो कम्स बैक एंड दैट हिट्स यू मेंटली बिकॉज आपने अपना लाइटर साइड देखा है. अब जब धीरे धीरे वेट बढ़ रहा है, आप वो मतलब आप ट्रस्ट ही छोड़ देते हो कि डाइट जैसा कुछ होता है. राइट? सो दैट इज वाई लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स डाइट को बहुत नेगेटिवली देखा जाता है. सो आई स्टार्टेड टेलिंग पीपल, do you want to be with me for your lifetime? You want to be with me for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. So you have to be your own nutrition coach. You have to train your mind and body. What changes are required? How can you eat mindfully? Though we will be following science, we follow calorie deficit for weight loss, calorie surplus for weight gain, and maintenance for maintenance. That is the science behind every diet. But
what exactly is calorie deficit and surplus?
So calorie deficit, if I have to tell you in basic words, accounts में होता है income minus expense equals to saving. यहाँ पे nutrition में उल्टा है कि आपका energy expenditure अगर ज्यादा है और energy income है तो आप weight loss करोगे. राइट? आप एक्सरसाइज और अपने एक्सरसाइज एक्टिविटी से और अपने नॉन एक्सरसाइज एक्टिविटी से, हम इसको ईट और नीट बोलते हैं, एक्सरसाइज एक्टिविटी थर्मोजेनेसिस एंड नॉन एक्सरसाइज एक्टिविटी इसके साथ अगर आप एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर ज्यादा करते हो और आपका कैलोरी इनटेक कम है, आपका वेट लॉस होता है. लेकिन आपका एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर कम है और आप कैलोरी इनटेक ज्यादा कर रहे हो तो वेट गेन होता है. राइट? लेकिन आप मेंटेनेंस पे चल रहे हो तो दैट इज वेयर ऑल द कैलोरी कैलकुलेशन कम्स इन प्लेस. बट द बेसिक सेट्स अगेन दैट पिरामिड कि आपको अपने मील्स में कितने मैक्रोज एंड माइक्रोज खाना है. जो भी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में हमें चाहिए वो मैक्रोज रहते हैं, कार्ब्स, प्रोटीन, फैट्स. जो हमें कम क्वांटिटी में चाहिए विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स, बट दे आर इक्वली क्रूशियल. Every time you do your blood test, your doctor tells you D3 लेना है, B12 लेना है, because you have never thought कि ये खाने से लेना है. पहले के ancestors में इतने deficiencies, इतना obesity नहीं होता था because the diet was also like that. So this is about quantification of macros and micros. Unfortunately हम fiber को कहीं count नहीं करते हैं, but that is the पूरे picture का hero ही वही है, right? Because अगर आपका gut अच्छा है, that means your soil is good. Whatever seeds you will be putting in, आपको उससे रिजल्ट अच्छा ही आएगा. बट अगर आपका सॉइल ही अच्छा नहीं है, तो अगर आपका गट अच्छा नहीं है तो आपको अब्जॉर्प्शन जो है न्यूट्रिएंट्स का जितना अच्छा होना चाहिए वो होता नहीं है. पीपल आर ईटिंग माइंडफुली, पीपल आर ईटिंग राइट, बट द गट इज नॉट गुड, देन द न्यूट्रिशन अब्जॉर्प्शन इज वेरी slow. So we started with that we will be following calorie deficit, but you have to train your mind and body on what macros and micros you should be eating every day. Right? And this is not any quick fix. This is just listening to your body and fulfilling the requirement of the body. Because अगर साइंस बोलती है कि कार्ब्स है, प्रोटीन है, फैट है, तो हर मैक्रो का बॉडी में एक रोल है. जैसे कार्ब्स एक बॉडी का बेसिक फ्यूल है. प्रोटीन आपके फिजियोलॉजिकल हेल्थ के लिए, आपके बोन्स, आपके मसल्स, आपके सेल्स, टिश्यूज। फैट जो है वो आपके एनर्जी का सोर्स तो है ही, लेकिन ब्रेन स्टिमुलेशन के लिए, गट हेल्थ के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एनर्जी लेवल्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गुड फैट, राइट? विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स ऑब्वियसली दे आर वेरी क्रूशियल, बट पीपल नेवर लुक्ड एट देयर फूड. मैंने नहीं देखा था इतने सालों से, तो व्हाट कैन आई से अबाउट अदर्स? दे नेवर लुक्ड एट देयर फूड like macros and micros. How many times you sit with your child and tell them कि बेटा ये प्लेट है और इसमें ये कार्ब्स होता है, ये प्रोटीन होता है, ये हमें एनर्जी के लिए खाना है. बल्कि जब भी आप वेट लॉस के लिए सोचते हो कि हम लोग इसको मैनिपुलेट कैसे करें. कार्ब्स को कम करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली वाटर वेट लॉस जाएगा. वाटर कार्ब्स का काम ही है बॉडी में वाटर को होल्ड करना. फॉर डाइजेशन दे होल्ड वाटर इन द बॉडी. सो पानी छूटता है, वेट लॉस दिखता है, एंड दे आर वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट. And then ultimately the results are you are very low on energy, your digestion is not good, your sleep is not good, mood swings hota hai, right? So you spoil your relation with food. You don't have that kind of excitement for food ki every day I want to eat something new. So rather, for nutrition and lifestyle coaching, these are our checkpoints. Every week we ask our patients, how are your energy levels? How is your digestion? How is your sleep? Are you maintaining good relation with your food? Right? What do you want to eat? This is one part. Now, secondly, sustainability. When I follow any diet, the biggest question mark is sustainability. मैं सस्टेनेबल नहीं है, बिकॉज एक दिन भी मेरा लाइफस्टाइल अगर चेंज हो जाता है, इफ आई कांट कुक फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई कैन नॉट फॉलो डाइट. Right? If I don't reach home at time, I cannot follow diet. Right? So that is why nutrition has to be a way of life. If you're eating out, if you're eating in a cafeteria, if you like to socialize on weekends, if you have a lot of travel in your job, and I have recently written a book, Effortless Nutrition for Busy Professionals, and that book is all about 10 different case studies on different lifestyles. A pilot, he has to fly for one day. एक दिन layover है, एक दिन घर पे. How do you expect that he is going to follow a strict regime of diet? Not possible. Doctors.
Yeah, even musicians, like for us, we are always in transit, like one airport to another city,
Exactly. And that is where their biggest fear comes in place. For pilot, if you see, they have a lot of pressure to be healthy. They have a medical checkup every 6 months. If you see doctors, they are doing surgeries entire day, and they don't have enough enough energy नहीं है, fuel नहीं है. Lot of IT professionals, 15 days यहाँ रहना है, 15 days travel करना है. आप कोई भी फील्ड देखो, उनके अलग ही चैलेंज है, which makes their lifestyle very inconsistent. So when your lifestyle is inconsistent, what you can do is to train your mind for every situation. Wherever you are, you can follow your nutrition. Wherever you are, you should know how to manipulate. यहाँ पे प्रोटीन खाना है तो कार्ब्स को कैसे मैनिपुलेट करना है. What is the better option from two options? अगर मेरे पास 2 कार्ब्स है तो ये खाना बेटर है कि ये खाना बेटर है. That is what we do.
Nice.
So we do help you to lose weight, because ultimately goal तो वही है.
Correct.
We help you to manage your lifestyle disorders, but it all starts from nutrition coaching. Amazing. Even when you leave me, you can sustain that plan.
Amazing. I just wanted to add one more thing in this. As a quick fix, a lot of like current hot topic is Ozempic. So
yes.
Do you want to and there are lot of lawsuits going on against the company right now, if you have read.
Yes.
What are these tablets? What do they do, and how bad effects do they have on your body?
So recently I had been working with a lot of diabetic patients. And with patients with higher HbA1c or type 2 diabetes, they are told by their diabetologist or doctors to take Ozempic. So when it is taken under the supervision of the right doctor, and the ultimate goal of this medicine has to manage your sugar levels, not only weight loss. So they help you to suppress your hunger to some extent, because it has to ultimately help you for the reducing the sugar spikes. Right? But problem क्या होता है? Because as you rightly said, quick fix. Now patients, those who doesn't have diabetes, or they are on borderline, which can be easily managed with right lifestyle, right nutrition, they start taking these medicines. एंड दे फील क्योंकि आपका हंगर सप्रेस हो रहा है तो वेट लॉस तो होगा. Now, Malay, I had been treating 3 to 4 patients who had taken Monjaro or Ozempic earlier. Now they can't eat. One patient is of 62 years age and he doesn't have energy to walk also.
What?
Because his body is now, he cannot cope up with eating.
Wow.
Right. So now there is another patient who wants to increase the food slowly but cannot help it. या तो आपको इतना भूख लगता है कि आप उसको मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हो, यू वांट टू ईट एनीथिंग व्हिच इज इजीली अवेलेबल, या तो आप खाना ही नहीं चाहते हो. सो ऑब्वियसली नॉट ओनली ओज़ेम्पिक और मंजारो, आई विल टेल यू एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट नेचर. Anything against, even when you do a very high protein diet, keto, and anything intermittent is meant to remove toxins from your body, to help you manage your sugar spikes. But when you are not doing in the right supervision, will have some or the other side effects because you are doing something against the nature. And so I always tell my patients, they come with these questions, क्या हम Ozempic ले सकते हैं, मेरा ये event है, क्या हम keto कर सकते हैं, why don't you put me on 80% protein? The patient who had never had 10% protein in their diet, they want to go on 65% protein, 80% protein. I always ask them one question, can you do keto for your lifetime? Can you take this medicine for your lifetime? Whatever you cannot adopt for your lifetime is not the right way of doing it. It has to be your lifestyle. So जो आप 1 दिन 3 दिन 4 दिन करोगे, 3 महीने करोगे, आप अपने सराउंडिंग्स में देखो, कोई ऐसा एक पेशेंट जानते हो जो लाइफ टाइम कीटो कर रहा है? कोई ऐसा पेशेंट जो लाइफ टाइम इंटरमिटेंट कर रहा है, मंडे टू फ्राइडे कर रहा है, सैटरडे संडे कुछ डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, सोशलाइजिंग है. सो व्हाई आर यू पनिशिंग योरसेल्फ एंड योर बॉडी? Why not to follow a sustainable and right way of doing it?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, amazing. You said you are new. You took some time. You were first in Ahmedabad and then went to Pune.
Yeah.
And then shifted to Bombay because of your husband's work and all of that. Leaving corporate job and adapting to a new city, starting something of your own, how challenging was it?
In a way, so obviously, if I have to talk about finances, it was very challenging because आप एक fixed income को छोड़ के कुछ base से start कर रहे हो. And as I said, I had clarity, but there were so many people around me because obviously in this competitive world, and everybody wants faster results. When you are trying to, place yourself differently. कि मुझे डाइटिशियन नहीं बनना है, मुझे वो, एंड ये मार्केट कैसा है आप अग्री करोगे, इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स फॉर अ डिनर इन अ फाइन डाइन रेस्टोरेंट, यू विल एंड अप ईटिंग, यू विल एंड अप विद द बिल ऑफ 10-15,000. वो डैमेज जो होता है हेल्थ को, लेकिन वो रिवर्स करने के लिए जब आपको वो अमाउंट स्पेंड करना होता है, पीपल थिंक, एंड मोस्टली दे थिंक बिकॉज उसमें कुछ फास्ट रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, इमीडिएट रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, राइट? सो बट दैट वाज इनिशियली. नाउ वी आर एट अ डिफरेंट लेवल, बट द पॉइंट इज कि financially it was different, but if I have to talk about myself, I enjoyed it because मेरे में चेंज आ रहा है, एंड हर काम करने के पीछे आपका एक बेसिक रहता है कि आपको किस चीज से किक मिलता है. सो व्हेन somebody used to tell me you have changed my life, I've started eating better than before. I am eating everything. My sugar levels are less. So there were so many patients जो infertility के दौर से जा रहे थे, and they used to message, you helped me to conceive.
Wow.
So all these things were very new for me, and यही मेरा confidence develop करता था. I never looked at the money part. कि कितना डिफरेंस हो रहा है, बिकॉज फॉर मी व्हाट आई कुड अचीव इन माई लाइफ, व्हाट चेंजेस आई ब्रॉट इन माई सेल्फ, इफ आई कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म अदर 1,000 people around me, so this was a life changing situation for me.
Definitely.
And there were challenges because as I said, competition बहुत ज़्यादा है, and एजुकेशन बहुत कम है, अवेयरनेस बहुत कम है. लोग बोलते नहीं है कि ठीक है आप एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर सकते तो मत करो, बट आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से नो, यू नीड टू स्टार्ट. मे बी विल इंक्रीज ग्रेजुअली. स्टार्ट ट्रैकिंग योर स्टेप्स. आप अगर अभी 2000 स्टेप चल रहे हो, नेक्स्ट वीक से 2500 स्टेप्स चलो. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू कि आप कल से जिम जाओ, 2 घंटे वर्कआउट करो, बट इट हैज टू बी देयर इन योर लाइफ. Right? And अगर personally पूछोगे तो what I was enjoying is flexibility, because in a corporate job obviously आपका time का flexibility, I was giving time to myself, my daughter, and I didn't leave studying about nutrition till date. I keep doing something or the other because you need to upgrade yourself every time. So there were challenges in regard to market, in regard to placing myself differently. Earlier न्यूट्रिशन एंड लाइफस्टाइल कोचिंग वेट मैनेजमेंट के लिए हो सकता है, फास्टर रिजल्ट्स के लिए हो सकता है, वो लोगों को नहीं समझता था. बट द पॉइंट इज वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, इफ यू आर कंसिस्टेंट, और अगर आपने अपने लिए कुछ टेस्टिमोनियल्स क्रिएट किए हैं. सो इन माई जर्नी आई विल टेल यू मले, द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट इज आई नेवर हैड एनी सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग और एनीथिंग अर्लियर. What made me कि मुझे ये करना है लॉन्ग टाइम तक, because one patient used to send at least 6 to 7 other patients.
Wow.
Because they felt कि अरे आप ये सब मत करो. They used to pass on my message to other people. आप ये डाइट मत करो, आप सब कुछ खा सकते हो. I am doing this, see the change in my life. I'll share one small incident. There is a physiotherapist in Mulund West, and he used to refer a lot of patients to me. And there was a patient, she was referred to me, and she was a little scared because she was told to go for a knee replacement surgery.
My God.
And she was, बिकॉज फाइनेंसेस को लेके भी वो बहुत डरे हुए थे, एज एंड रिकवरी को लेके भी बहुत डरे हुए थे. तो द फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट सेड कि लेट्स यू लूज सम वेट, वी विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट विद द ट्रीटमेंट, एंड इफ यू लूज एटलीस्ट 10% ऑफ योर वेट, योर सिचुएशन विल बी मच बेटर. एंड वी स्टार्टेड वर्क, एंड शी वॉज वन ऑफ माई टॉप फर्स्ट 10 पेशेंट्स. पहले 10 पेशेंट्स में से वो एक थे. एंड one fine day she calls me, and I was seeing we have that daily monitoring ka system that she's losing weight every day. One fine day she calls me and she says, I want to meet you. Generally हमारे केस में कैसा होता है, the first consultation is very important. You spend around 45 minutes to 1 hour with the patient, and after that the patient follows up online, on call, whatever is convenient for them. And she says, I want to meet you. And I said, I am busy today, can we meet tomorrow? Wherever you say, I'll come to your Thane clinic, but I want to see you. And she comes and tells me, look at me, I've lost around 6 inches. I'm told that I will not be needing the surgery now, and I'm very happy. I just wanted you to see me.
Wow.
आप मुझे एक बार देखो. And this is something I felt, yes, I want to do this. One thing.
Amazing.
And then second day she went to that physiotherapist. She's sitting in the waiting area, and that physiotherapist is calling his receptionist and asking कि आज शीतल नहीं आई है क्या? And she said, बैठी तो है. No, I could not recognize शीतल.
Wow.
Call Baljit, I want to talk to her. So I think ये सारे जो incidents होते हैं ना, ये boost करते हैं आपको.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
you are on the right track. You are doing the right thing, and you must have that one patient must have sent around 12-13 patients.
Wow.
Go and do this. This is the right way of doing it.
So, in the previous part, you mentioned about doctors, pilots. I being a musician, I know people how, on stage they want to look good. But the lifestyle is pretty fast, even corporates for that
Yeah.
matter, And it's, for some of them, it's very sedentary, like sitting, not moving. So in that case, what are the challenges that you have faced? And also if there is a success story that you can share with probably doctors, and also how has this impacted your journey?
Yes. So I will answer this question with one statement, which
Yeah.
I always write in my descriptions also. And that is, small rectifications can give you drastic results. Okay. So the problem is when you try to change everything in a very short span of time. Okay. So when you talk about anybody like doctors, pilots, problem is sustainability. So for example, if we talk about us also, husband and wife both are working. Earlier, wives, like ladies of the home, they used to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Now both are working. We have moved towards convenient cooking, lesser cooking, right? So we have moved towards ready-made masalas.
Packaged
So it
food.
all starts from there, right? So I'll share one story. There was a well-known doctor. She was also head of the well-known hospital, and she approached me, and it was quite surprising for me because in every hospital you have dietitians. I know most of them are IPD dietitians. They are more into do and don't diet. But she approached me through a doctor, and she tells me, Baljeet, now our hospital is expanding. Earlier I used to have 10 rounds of my hospital. Now morning 8:39 to evening 8:39 I'm in my cabin, and I sit at one place. Now the second problem is, खाना बनाना तो बहुत दूर की बात है, मुझे मेरे कुक को मॉनिटर करने का टाइम नहीं है, कुक के साथ रुकने का टाइम नहीं है. ऑल माई मील्स आर फ्रॉम कैफेटेरिया.
Wow.
Right? Now when I have all my meals from cafeteria, what comes to your mind? You are sitting in a position where you want to look good, you want to look confident, you want to remain healthy because you are a role model for so many there.
Yeah.
And then you are in a pressure कि अब कोई वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा, खाना भी नहीं बना पा रहे, खाना हम लोग घर से खा भी नहीं पा रहे, तो हमें क्या करना है? Ultimately you start eating very less, because the biggest problem is eating less is going to help you to lose weight. Right? So for this kind of mindset, moving from eating less to eating right is very important. So the first thing we did, obviously the do and don't diet will not check your BMR. So BMR is basal metabolic rate. So if I have to tell you little science behind this, we all check our BMI, right? But for example, मलय और बलजीत का एज, हाइट एंड वेट सेम है, तो दोनों का BMI भी सेम होगा. सो BMI इज अ वेरी शेलो कॉन्सेप्ट. BMI टेल्स यू कि क्या जोन में है हम लोग. क्या हम लोग अंडरवेट हैं, ओवरवेट हैं, स्लाइटली ओवरवेट हैं, या ओबेसिटी जोन में हैं. बट वो तो आपको बता रहा है कि आप आज कहाँ हो. अब यहाँ से राइट जोन में कैसे जाना है वो BMI डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकता. तो उसके लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है आपको अपना BMR पता होना चाहिए, बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट, बिकॉज 90% ऑफ द टाइम्स पेशेंट्स एंड मोस्टली जो ये इनकन्सिस्टेंसी रहता है, बट दे आर हेल्थ कॉन्शियस, दे वांट टू रिमेन हेल्दी, दे वांट टू ईट हेल्दी, दे वांट टू बी इन द राइट जोन ऑफ वेट. ऑल द टाइम in their mind they had been thinking of this. So they start eating lesser than their BMR.
Oh.
Now you think of a situation that the body is not getting enough fuel to work. What will happen? So when you're not getting enough fuel from your food, your body starts using stored fat, stored energy, right? So आपने फैट्स खाए हैं, वो stored है फैट फॉर्म में, एनर्जी फॉर्म में, वो बॉडी यूज कर रहा है. अब क्या होता है, तब आपको बॉडी अलार्म्स देना चालू करती है. योर डाइजेशन इज नॉट गुड, योर स्लीप इज नॉट गुड, योर मूड इज नॉट एलिवेटेड, यू आर ऑलवेज इरिटेटेड. all your meals, whatever you are having, all the time in your mind you will think ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है, ये ज़्यादा है, ये कम है. आप यही सोच के खाते हो, आप खाने को वो एसोसिएट करते हो कोई ना कोई इमोशन या थॉट से. नाउ टेलिंग देम व्हाट इज योर BMR and telling them, first correction we want to do is you have to start eating. And that is where they ask questions. Even doctors, even educated people, इतना खाना पड़ेगा और इतना खाने से वेट बढ़ेगा नहीं, right? So we tell them eating less is not important, eating right is more important, right? So eating better than before, eating better than their BMR, so that the first correction is done. Your digestion is better, sleep is better, you are losing weight, but the basic criteria of the body are not met. Yeah. So अगर आप एक दूसरी बात में बोलूँगी, अगर आप BMR से भी कम खा रहे हो, how do you expect your body to cope up with workout?
Yeah.
कैसे वर्कआउट करोगे? आपको वॉक पे जाने का मन नहीं करेगा, आपको चेयर से उठ के कुछ करने का मन नहीं करेगा. So first thing we do this, then after you start eating better than before, right amount of calories, that is where we tell them कि mindful eating क्या होता है, macros क्या होते हैं और micros क्या होते हैं, और इनका बॉडी में रोल क्या होता है. Now what happens, wherever they are eating, in whichever corner they are there in the world, they start associating food is like, lot of times I have my friends in some buffet with me. तेरी वजह से ना हम लोग ऐसा नहीं देखते कि what all is there in the buffet, we see कि ये कार्ब्स है, ये प्रोटीन है, ये फैट एंड फाइबर है, right? So this is the first education we want to bring in. They start analyzing क्या कार्ब्स है, क्या प्रोटीन है, क्या फैट है, और मेरी बॉडी को क्या किस क्वांटिटी में खाना है.
Nice.
Yeah, so this is the second change we do. Third change is, taking care of the other lifestyle factors. As I truly said कि आप अच्छा खा रहे हो, आपने करेक्शन भी कर लिया, लेकिन आप सोते ही नहीं हो, आप 4-5 घंटे सोते हो. बॉडी को वो प्रोसेस करने के लिए भी टाइम होना चाहिए. स्लीप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हाइड्रेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो बाकी फैक्टर्स के लिए उनको गाइड करते हैं. एंड देन अल्टीमेटली व्हेन ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर डन behind the screen, behind the scene, we as nutritionists, we are always working on calorie deficit.
Oh.
Right? So when we plan your nutrition, मुझे अगर पता है कि अल्टीमेटली आपको चाहिए कि आप वेट लॉस करो, तो आप BMR से बेटर खाते हो, लेकिन आप अपने एनर्जी एक्सपेंडिचर से कम खाते हो. सो व्हाट इज मलय थिंकिंग? मलय इज थिंकिंग, यार आई एम ईटिंग 3 times बेटर देन बिफोर. मेरे खाने में इतना सटाइटी है, राइट? एंड जब आप ये करना चालू करते हो तो आपके स्टार्विंग्स, आपके क्रेविंग्स पूरा कंट्रोल में आ जाते हैं. आई हैव अ वेल नोन डेंटिस्ट हु केम एंड टोल्ड मी कि बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू बी इन बैक टू बैक सर्जरीज, आई यूज्ड टू हैव माय फर्स्ट मील एट 8:30 in the morning and last meal at 10:30 in the night, and 10:30 I used to end up my day with a tub of ice cream. बिकॉज इतना स्टार्विंग होता है, इतना क्रेविंग होता है कि पूरे दिन में आपको वो एनर्जी लेवल्स नहीं है. अब आपने 2 मील्स खाए, पहली बात है कि बीच में आप छोटे छोटे मिड मील्स डाल सकते थे. मिड मील्स आर नॉट वेरी हेवी मील्स, बट समथिंग विच इज हैंडी, वेरी क्विक, वेरी कन्वीनियंट, दैट कैन बी अ क्विक मील. You can have enough amount of protein and fat in those 2 meals which you are having. At least you need to have that kind of satiety. Right? So that person, that dentist comes and tells me कि पहले मैं वो वड़ा पाव के स्टॉल से जाता था तो every time used to feel कि this is something I want to have because there was starving and craving in body. Now I don't even look there because there is enough satiety from food. So calculating your BMR, telling you how you should eat mindfully, telling you what should you eat from cafeteria. आप कैफेटेरिया से खा रहे हो, इसीलिए मोस्टली आप देखोगे लोग सूप, सैलेड, खाखरा, अरे उनके खाने में कार्ब्स ही नहीं है, बिकॉज फॉर देम कार्ब्स आर बैड. And then they end up taking so many supplements. Because there is no energy in the body. And you tell me, supplements आपको लेके लगता है कि मैंने supplements ले लिया, मेरा deficiency अभी कम हो जाएगा. ये psychological है, but अगर ये आप BMR से बहुत टाइम से, क्या वो nutrition absorb हो रहा है? क्या वो supplement absorb हो रहा है? How will you check that, right? So mindful eating is the first most thing we do. We help them understand that how one small change every day, cafeteria से आज आप breakfast में ये खाओ, mid meal में ये खाओ, lunch में ये खाओ, but everything you eat, even when you are traveling, even when you are eating in a restaurant with friends, understanding what you are eating and what is the effect of it and what is the requirement of body is very, very important. Once your mind and body is trained, I have seen my patients who followed my diet in 2022, 23, 3 years back, 2 years back, they lost weight and till date they haven't gained 200 grams also.
Wow.
So many stories around us. They haven't gained any weight, they don't have any medicines in their life. That should be your ultimate goal.
So could you explain your philosophy of quantified nutrition over the fad diets that are there in the market?
Yeah. So quantified nutrition, again, Indians का अगर आप देखोगे, मेरे कुछ पेशेंट्स हैं जिनके घर पे दादी है या उनकी मॉम काफ़ी एजेड है और उन्हें लगता है क्वांटिफाइड का मतलब है खाने को वे करके खाना. But are you weighing your food because you want to eat less? No. You're weighing your food because you want to train your mind and body for the right portions, right? So rather than not eating, rather than giving up on your favorite foods, comfort foods, it's better to train your mind to have it in the right portions. Now, what is quantified nutrition? Quantified nutrition is about quantifying the macros and micros in your body and to achieve your health and weight goals, right? This is not something you're doing because you want to lose weight or gain weight or for any particular reason. This is your way of life. This is about training your mind and body. Then what should you eat? How much should you eat? And this helps you to remain in the right zone of weight, right? आपको ये medical conditions को prevent करने के लिए help करता है, correct करने के लिए help करता है. So if I have to put these things like that, if I ask you कि आज से आप 10 kgs का weight loss start कर दो, लेकिन आप आपको कल से राइस नहीं खा सकते, रोटी नहीं खा सकते, चाय नहीं पी सकते, ये नहीं खा सकते, ये नहीं खा सकते. What do you think in your mind? Human mind is made like that. Psychologically, you feel more hungry when you're fasting. बहुत सारे दिन आपको खाना खाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन आपको हंगर उतना स्ट्रेस नहीं देता है जितना फास्टिंग में देता है. सो इफ आई टेल यू Malay can eat absolutely everything but you cannot have tea, you will crave more about tea. You will crave more for tea, right? So first thing, you eat everything rather than giving off upon foods. Train your mind and body how much I should eat, and you know what should be my portions as per my body requirement. Right? Now what happens when you go back to science and you start eating as per body's requirement, everything starts falling in place. So अब क्या हुआ, पहले आपका पूरा जो खाना रहता था वो दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी, दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी रहता था, तो जनरली आपको इंडिया में देखने को मिलेगा. हमने क्या किया, उनका एवरी मील में वी स्टार्टेड पुटिंग राइट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन, we started putting right amount of fat, and then they started telling me because I had enough amount of protein, I was feeling full for a very long period of time. कितना satiety था, right? Second thing is because I started having enough amount of protein, मेरा carbs कम हो गया, तो body started losing water weight. Because I started having good fat in my body. Now you see females nowadays, they do lot of cosmetic treatments. But they are not nourished from inside. So if you look at their skin, nails and hair, right? So all the time they had been doing something or the other to, you know, feel confident about it. But what about internal nourishment? So if you're having good amount of fat and protein, you will have amazing quality of skin, nails and hair, because it is all about your physiological health, right? So eating right amount of carb, protein, fat in the right amount, getting vitamins and minerals from your food. So एक यहाँ पे मैं एग्जाम्पल शेयर करूंगी कि कोविड के टाइम पे everybody was taking supplements. Everybody was so scared about you know, immunity system, छोटा छोटा कफ कोल्ड हो रहा है, तो बहुत स्ट्रेस था. We started with something called magic drink. And you know what was that magic drink? All the Indian herbs from your kitchen.
Amazing.
So we never used to mix the herbs. We used to have only one herb in a day. जैसे आज आप जीरा ले रहे हो तो जीरे का पानी ही पियोगे पूरा दिन, बिकॉज इन सब के प्रॉपर्टीज अलग होते हैं, इन सब के इफेक्ट्स अलग होते हैं बॉडी पे, तो आप उनको मिक्स करोगे तो बॉडी भी कंफ्यूज हो जाता है, राइट? मेटाबॉलिज्म डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. बट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डू यू फील कि घर में जो हर्ब्स हैं, इंडियन हर्ब्स हैं, वो हम लोगों ने छोड़ दिए हैं बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग विथ पैकेज्ड मसालास नाउअडेज, एंड हम लोग सप्लीमेंट्स ले रहे हैं. बट अगर आप हमारे एंसेस्टर्स को देखोगे, खड़ा मसालास वर यूज्ड एवरीवेयर, राइट? सो वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट, एंड टिल डेट माय पेशेंट्स आर ओनली हैविंग फ्लेवर्ड वाटर.
Wow.
Just a small change, right? And I don't know कि उनको कितना supplements का need लगता है. Until and unless there is medical condition which is causing deficiencies, they don't need supplements every day. Wow. Again, the point is, आप क्या supplements lifetime लोगे? नहीं ले सकते, तो better is to have it from your kitchen. So quantification helps you to, you know, follow a sustainable way of nutrition where everything comes from your kitchen, where everything, so I can tell you, you need these many carbs, these many protein, these many fats, nothing fancy from outside जो आपने बचपन से कभी सुना ही नहीं है कि मुझे ये सीड्स खाना पड़ेगा, ये किनोआ खाना पड़ेगा, अरे मैं इसके साथ you know कॉन्जैक खाना पड़ेगा, अब मैं इसके साथ कैसे कंफर्ट में कैसे आऊँ, right? That's
what I was going to ask you.
Yes.
Because a lot of the times what happens is, like, you know, you're Googling stuff, you know, and then you go there and then like, you know, it's not Indian, like, you know, and it's all foreign.
Exactly.
It's not staple, so to say, right? Exactly. So you get quinoa, you get avocados, you get, you know, include this in your diet. But what about apne jo kheti mein ugta hai? You know, what about that? Exactly. So I wanted also you to talk about modern generation is going a lot towards the westernized nutrition kind of a thing, right? Like including vegetables and fruits and like you know, grains that are not staple. How do you like compare them with like your homegrown things, nutrition wise?
आपने जो point out किया कि western culture बहुत आ रहा है, but if you look at it properly, अगर आप उसको deeper way में देखते हो, it's nothing else but they are creating a market for that in India. because we have started getting attracted towards Western culture, right? So हर इंडियन खाना कुछ भी जो हम बचपन से खाते हुए आते हैं, पहले उसको टैग किया जाता है कि दिस इज नॉट गुड, इससे ये होता है, एंड फिर मार्केट क्रिएट होता है कि इसका सब्स्टिट्यूट ये है, राइट? This is nothing but it is it is creating a false awareness that everything what you had in your kitchen जो इंडिया का कल्चर था was not healthy. But then again my question is, if you compare our like हमारे पहले के जो 2 जनरेशन पहले के जो लोग थे और अभी थे, कहाँ पे आपको ज्यादा ओबेसिटी दिखता है, कहाँ पे आपको ज्यादा लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर्स दिखता है, या कहाँ पे आपको ज्यादा वेरिएशन दिखता है कि दे आर नॉट हैप्पी विद देयर लाइफस्टाइल, दे आर नॉट हैप्पी विद देयर फूड, स्ट्रेस कहाँ दिखता है? अल्टीमेटली आप बहुत बेटर लाइफस्टाइल जी रहे हो, आप बहुत फॉलो कर रहे हो कि यही खाना हेल्दी है, यही नहीं खाना हेल्दी है, आप अपने लिए अगेन द पॉइंट इज एक्सपेंसिव प्रोक्योरमेंट करते हो कि यही खाने से मुझे हेल्थ अचीव होगा, एंड यू आर लीविंग योर रूट्स. And that is why I told you so many times, I have so many companies approaching me कि you certify our product. You start recommending our product that यही पनीर खाना चाहिए, यही tofu खाना चाहिए. I'm saying you start eating everything homemade rather than following any, and that is where I don't have a very good bond with them, because if I start telling you ये brand खाना है, ये नहीं brand खाना है, again what I am doing is I am telling you कि आप खाने को tag करो, मत करो. For me, only basic of nutrition is everything in moderation is good. Anything in excess is bad. If I have to give you a simplest example, right? Almonds are good. We all know. बहुत ज़्यादा कैलोरी डेंस नहीं है, खा सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर आप एक्सेस में खाते हो और यूरिक एसिड का पेशेंट है, वो ट्रबल करता है, राइट? सो एनीथिंग इन मॉडरेशन इज गुड, एनीथिंग इन राइट अमाउंट ऑफ क्वांटिटी इज गुड, एनीथिंग इन द राइट वे ऑफ हैविंग इट इज गुड. एज आई सेड, जीरा पानी पीते हैं, बट वो जीरा को जब हम तड़का लगाने जाते हैं तो हम गरम तेल में लगाते हैं बिकॉज वी वांट अरोमा, बट द न्यूट्रिशन इज लॉस्ट, द म्यूफा एंड प्यूफा इज लॉस्ट. सो द राइट वे ऑफ हैविंग इट इज इन द राइट अमाउंट एंड राइट वे कि इसको अब्जॉर्ब बॉडी कैसे कर सकती है. सो डोंट गेट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड विथ अगेन सस्टेनेबिलिटी की अगर आप बात करोगे, आप कब प्रोक्योर करेंगे, अलग अलग रेसिपीज सीखेंगे, वहाँ पे भी सस्टेनेबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. लेकिन आप जो बचपन से खाते हुए आ रहे हो, जैसे मैंने देखा है कि मोस्टली हमारा जो ब्रेकफास्ट रहता है वो पोहा, उपमा, इडली, पराठा विद अ कप ऑफ चाय. यू डोंट नीड टू चेंज इट, यू जस्ट नीड टू क्वान्टिफाई इट कि आप पराठा और चाय ले रहे हो या पोहा और चाय ले रहे हो, इसके साथ इतना प्रोटीन भी होना चाहिए, इतना फैट भी होना चाहिए, इतना फाइबर भी होना चाहिए. सो यू आर नॉट लीविंग एनीथिंग, बट यू आर जस्ट रेक्टिफाइंग इट कि आई हैव टू मेक दिस मील अ फुल मील.
There are a lot of different cultures in India. You are a Punjabi, yeah. You stayed in Gujarat.
I am basically from Ahmedabad, married in Pune. Yeah.
Oh, and then there is the West, there is North, Kolkata. It's different food cuisine. Northeast is a different food cuisine. South India is like a whole new, variety. With this, the ingredients change. Your staple food changes.
Yeah.
What you eat changes. How you eat changes. Like, for example, if you go up north, they'll say, छाछ पीना चाहिए, घी रहना चाहिए. You come to the southern side, a lot of avial, dosa, you come towards the west, a lot of carb heavy food. So how do you and India is definitely very rich in diverse cuisines, right? So what are the challenges that you face when you are treating different segments of society or locality?
So as in my last question I answered, हम वो कह ही नहीं रहे कि आप ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स खाओ, ये मत खाओ. सो अगर आपके कल्चर में है कि आप राइस ज़्यादा खाते हो, राइट, और मेरे कल्चर में है कि मैं रोटी ज़्यादा खाती हूँ, व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू इज लाइक हाउ मच अमाउंट यू कैन हैव राइस, हाउ मच अमाउंट यू कैन हैव रोटी, rather than leaving your comfort foods, you have to train your mind for the right portions. So we don't tag our ingredients as कि ये खाने से. So अभी एक और example I'll tell you. There are so many patients who love rice. Again, there is a myth. राइस खाने से वेट बढ़ता है, राइट? लेकिन आप राइस को कैसे खा रहे हो, कितना खा रहे हो, वो मैटर करता है. एंसेस्टर्स तो हमारे एक मील पूरा राइस खाते थे, बट वो ओबेसिटी जोन में गए नहीं, बिकॉज वी आर थिंकिंग अ लॉट, वी आर पुटिंग दोज वाइब्रेशंस इन आवर फूड, दैट इज हैपनिंग. सो देयर वर सो मेनी फीमेल्स हु टोल्ड मी, मैंने ना 2 साल से राइस नहीं खाया, बट मैं दाल का पूरा बोल ले लेती हूँ बिकॉज इट इज प्रोटीन. एंड देन आई टोल्ड देम कि आपने हमारा जो इंडियन कुजिन है, आपको लगता है कि वो खाना बहुत रिच है, बट देयर इज अ गुड साइंस बिहाइंड इट. हमारा जो ओल्ड थाली सिस्टम होता था, उसमें राइस, दाल, सब्जी, सैलेड सब कुछ होता था, बिकॉज इट वाज अ गुड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कार्ब, प्रोटीन, फैट, फाइबर. सो व्हेन यू आर हैविंग ओनली दाल, it is not protein. When you combine it with rice, it becomes 9 full amino acids, which makes it a full protein. Again, the problem in myths. There's so many myths. So ये खाने से ये होगा, ये नहीं खाने से ये होगा. Not a lot of times you think कि how much I should have it, in what way I should have it. Right? Now what happens is, again, अगर आपने 2 साल से नहीं खाया है, कोई एक दिन ऐसा आएगा आप rebound करोगे. And then there will be no control over quantity. So I always tell them, these are carbs, these are protein, these are fats, these are fiber. If you are losing weight, these are the foods you should have, these are the portion. I am not going to tell you कि आपका रेसिपी क्या होना चाहिए.
Correct.
I am not going to tell you कि मंडे आप पोहा खाओ, ट्यूसडे आप उपमा खाओ, वेडनेसडे you have to listen to your body. You have to follow your lifestyle. You have to follow your schedule. आपका शेड्यूल ही नहीं है कुकिंग का, और मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ आज आपको 4 course मील खाना है. You can't sustain it. Yeah. It's just that you have to tell yourself, ये मुझे रोज करना है, मैं इतना कुक कर सकती हूँ, ये मेरा टाइमिंग होने वाला है, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू स्टार्ट अडॉप्टिंग इट. सो नो कंट्रोल ओवर इंग्रेडिएंट्स. I will be just telling you, educating you, these are carbs, these are proteins, these are fats, these are fibers, this is your everyday. ये आजकल the second problem what we have, first is obviously eating lesser than BMR. कम खाने से वेट कम होता है. सेकंड प्रॉब्लम इज पीपल आर वेजिटेरियन, नॉन वेजिटेरियन, बट दिस अ डिफरेंट कैटेगरी, कार्बोटेरियन. Only carbohydrates in their diet. Though अगर again the question is not only losing weight, not only gaining weight, but what are you passing on to your next generation? If you don't have mindful eating of protein, mindful eating of fiber, will your children understand कि प्रोटीन का इंटेक क्यों होना चाहिए, फैट का? देन प्रोटीन इज ओनली एसोसिएटेड विथ मसल बिल्डिंग करना है, इसीलिए प्रोटीन लेना चाहिए. सो मेनी मिथ्स अराउंड प्रोटीन कि वेजिटेरियंस के पास प्रोटीन नहीं होता या बहुत कम प्रोटीन होता है. सो what we need, this is like educating your patient every day. This is what it is. And I have seen a lot of change happening because you give them a good space कि आप अपना खाना डिसाइड करो, आप अपना कुकिंग टाइम डिसाइड करो. आपको बल्कि चाहिए तो हम और पिक एंड ईट ऑप्शंस बताते हैं. विथ लेसर कुकिंग, हाउ कैन यू स्टिल कंप्लीट योर कार्ब, प्रोटीन, फैट, फाइबर. आई थिंक दैट हेल्प्स देम टू सस्टेन दिस प्लान फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. एंड इफ दे सस्टेन इट, इट बिकम्स their वे ऑफ लाइफ. What you do for 21 days, what you do for 61 days, 21, 21, 21, it becomes your lifestyle subconsciously. So that should be the ultimate goal.
So in India, we have so there are tier 2, tier 3 cities, and a lot of time when we think of nutrition, there are basic struggles in life of getting food, right? And you're thinking, and the easiest way for your body to get energy is like carb heavy diet, right? And that's why probably we have such wide variety of carb heavy diets in India. So somebody who cannot afford protein rich this thing, like how can they sustain or substitute rather like simple things? What are the baby steps that they can take?
Yes.
और आप ये अगर हिंदी में बोलोगे तो like probably it'll reach a wider audience. So again,
देयर इज अ मिथ
Hmm.
कि हमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का वैरायटी है लेकिन प्रोटीन का वैरायटी नहीं है. प्रोटीन भी किचन में ही है.
Hmm.
उसके लिए भी आपको बाहर जाके कुछ एक्सपेंसिव या डिफरेंट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Hmm.
सेकेंडली ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू फॉलो अ न्यूट्रिशन कोच तो दे कैलकुलेट एवरीथिंग फॉर यू कि आपको कितना मैक्रोस का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू योर गोल्स,
Hmm.
अकॉर्डिंग टू योर मेडिकल कंडीशंस विल टेल यू कि आपको कितना परसेंट कार्ब्स खाना है, कितना प्रोटीन एंड कितना फैट.
Hmm.
बट अगर आप वो भी नहीं कर रहे हो, आपको एवरीडे चेंज करना है, मतलब एक छोटा सा चेंज लाना है,
Hmm.
the easiest thing to do is this exercise I had been doing with a lot of corporates. So we do this exercise with them. You sit for 5 minutes and you just write down your last 2 days का diet history. ठीक है, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आप कितना कार्ब्स खा रहे हो, कितना प्रोटीन खा रहे हो. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप एक ही चीज करो. एक्चुअली तो आरडीए के हिसाब से आपको 1 ग्राम पर केजी आपको प्रोटीन खाना है. इफ योर वेट इज 70 kg, 70 grams प्रोटीन एटलीस्ट खाना है. इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विथ योर मसल बिल्डिंग, वेट लॉस, वेट गेन, मेडिकल कंडीशन. दिस इज द मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द बॉडी. नाउ आई कांट कैलकुलेट कि 70 grams कितना होता है, बट द easiest first step is to make a list of easy protein items in the kitchen. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कर्ड हो गया, योगर्ट आप घर पे बना सकते हो, पनीर आप घर पे बना सकते हो, चीज़ आप खा सकते हो. बहुत बार आप देखोगे चीज़ लोगों को फैटनिंग लगता है. चीज़ के लिए मिथ है कि चीज़ इज अनहेल्दी, बट साइमल्टेनियसली वी इंडल्ज इन टू वड़ा पाव, समोसाज एंड एवरीथिंग. सो चीज़ है. We have an entire family of lentils and legumes, dal and sprouts and everything. We have soya. For non-vegetarians, we have eggs, fish, chicken, what not. इतना लिस्ट है, इतने सारे आइटम्स अवेलेबल है. If you want to take the first step towards it, just start adding one protein item in all your meals. So earlier, if I was having, paratha with chai, I can have paneer paratha with chai. Right? I would like to add some veggies also, so I can have one fruit with that, or putting some veggies in the paratha. So it's just making your meal wholesome meal. So add one item of protein, add one item of small fat. Fat मतलब आप थोड़ा सा घर पे जो प्योर घी खाते हो, बटर खाते हो, राइट? आप इतना इंडल्ज हो जाते हो वो मिथ्स एंड फैक्ट्स में कि ये ऑयल खाना चाहिए, ये नहीं खाना चाहिए. बट द पॉइंट इज कि व्हाट यू हैड बीन डूइंग सिंस अर्ली एजेस, कि आप थोड़ा सा प्योर घी खाओ, थोड़ा सा बटर घी खाओ, नॉट मोर देन 5 to 10 grams, 15 grams, but you should have it. Cool. So the first point is to start adding one item of protein. The second item is to make that a wholesome meal. कि अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि कार्ब्स के साथ एक प्रोटीन भी आना चाहिए, एक फाइबर भी आना चाहिए, और लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ फैट भी होना चाहिए. This is the easiest way of including protein. Now when we always talk about whey protein, राइट, अब मुझे मेरा प्रोटीन कंप्लीट करने के लिए वे लेना ही पड़ेगा, वैसा नहीं है. आई विल नॉट टैग वे प्रोटीन.
What is whey? What is whey protein?
Whey powder.
Oh, protein powder is what you're saying.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah. So again you start thinking ki maybe I will not be able to complete my protein requirement from my daily food, so I will have to have whey protein or protein powders. So again I will not tag whey protein as good or bad. I can call them convenient. Okay, so as we spoke about pilots, अब वो हर बार तो उनके बुफे में उनको इनफ प्रोटीन नहीं मिलेगा. ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो तब आप कन्वीनियंस के लिए यूज करो. आप बहुत ज्यादा वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, आप स्पोर्ट्स में हो, आप एथलेटिक हो, आप मसल बिल्डिंग कर रहे हो, तो मे बी उस टाइम पे आपको वे का रिक्वायरमेंट है. बिकॉज क्या होता है कि आपने पनीर खाया या आपने कर्ड खाया, पनीर इज नॉट ओनली प्रोटीन. Paneer will have little amount of carbs also, fats also. It's not going to be only protein. This is a food which is little higher in protein. Yeah, रोटी से वो नहीं मिलता, बट पनीर से उतना प्रोटीन मिलता है. तो कभी आपको लगता है कि बिना किसी कार्ब्स एंड फैट के मुझे कन्वीनियंट प्रोटीन चाहिए, दैट इज वे प्रोटीन. So it is very easy for you to fulfill the requirement of protein from your kitchen again. So I'll give you an easy trick here. As I said, we are pure vegetarians. Me, my lot of patients, they don't eat any non-vegetarian items. We had been having a roti of wheat and soya. Such an easy way of putting protein in the diet. So there are so many easy to do things which will help you to have right amount of protein every day from your diet.
Nice, amazing. Can you share one story that has really had a impact on you, a transformation story, probably like you said, one story you shared about the knee replacement, but
Yeah.
is there any other
Yeah.
story that you would like to share?
Yes, I do have, and this is obviously I cannot take the name here.
Yeah.
So he was a very young patient.
Hmm.
He had come for consultation in a hospital through some doctor, just 28 years, and the weight was 130 kgs.
Wow.
And to my surprise, generally what we do in our first consultation, as I said, that our approach is very scientific. We have to calculate BMR, fat, energy expenditure. So generally how the consultation is, we need 45 to 60 minutes. We take basic details. We take the genetic details, medical conditions, what all medical conditions they have, so that we understand कि genetics में भी अगर कुछ है तो वो prevent कैसे करना है. Then we take their 72 hours diet history, because आप मेरे साथ agree करोगे कि आजकल weekdays पे अलग ही lifestyle है, weekends पे अलग lifestyle है. Weekdays पे we follow everything to the T because we have a very disciplined lifestyle. Weekends पे we want to socialize, we want to, एक stress buster की तरह आपने बाहर से खाना order कर दिया. You never had a urge of eating outside food. But because both are working, you also want to relax. Or maybe a lot of times food has also started acting as a stress buster. Because stress इतना है, इतना hectic हो जाता है. Stress eating. That is what we call stress eating. So we take 72 hours diet history. Then we take their energy expenditure details कि उनका life कितना sedentary है, कितना active है वो, exercise form में कितना active है, everyday form में कितना active है, and उनका lifestyle कैसा है, स्लीप कितना होता है, हाइड्रेशन कितना होता है, ये सारा डिटेल्स लेने में हमें 45-60 मिनट्स लगता है. एंड टू माई सरप्राइज, दिस पेशेंट, such a good looking patient, no medical conditions at all, and since last 2.5 years he had been only surviving on sprouts, salads, fruits and soups, no carbohydrates, surviving without any rice and roti. And every 15 days he used to lose weight, gain weight, and completely depressed.
Wow.
Completely depressed because
And still 130 kg.
Still 130. His weight was oscillating between 125 to 130. And he was so depressed. He has lost all the faith. Diet word क्या होता है ना, उनको वो ये हो गया था. Coincidentally ऐसा हुआ कि वो हॉस्पिटल के जो मेन डॉक्टर थे, he was following my diet. And he had seen changes and he just told him कि आप यहाँ पे जाके सिर्फ एक बार कंसल्टेशन करो. I spoke to him for 1.5 hours. I told him BMR क्या होता है, खाना क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है, कार्ब्स क्यों खाने हैं, एवरीडे मील क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है. And his first plan, what plan I made was 3,200 calories. Earlier he was eating 700-800 calories.
Wow.
And just because of that he had so many side effects कि काम पे जाने का मन नहीं करता, मूड स्विंग्स होता है, स्किन के इश्यूज स्टार्ट हो गए थे, lot of things, because body will give you some alarm, some situations कि you're not giving enough fuel. So we started with that. Today that patient is only 72 kgs.
Wow.
And he is like, I am so confident, I've started working out for, because 130 kgs के आप थे और जब आप खा ही रहे हो 700-800 कैलोरीज, तो आप क्या वर्कआउट करोगे. He had a enrollment with the gym, he had a trainer, but his trainer used to feel bad कि अरे आप करते ही नहीं हो वर्कआउट, आप हफ्ते में 2 ही दिन आ रहे हो, कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है, बट फ्यूल ही नहीं है बॉडी में, कुछ मोटिवेशन ही नहीं है. So that is what I think when he gave me a testimonial, I still have that testimonial in my office. And I always tell my patients कि the only formula is to eat right, not less. Moderation is the key. Then now today if you see that patient, you won't be able to recognize that patient. And obviously there were so many medical conditions associated with that, mental conditions, physical conditions. And एक तो होता है कि आप ना समझते हो कि ये जेनेटिक्स में है, ये इम्प्रूव ही नहीं हो सकता, पूरे फैमिली में अब मैं क्या वेट लॉस करूंगा, राइट. सो दैट हैज बीन माई वन स्टोरी विच वॉज वेरी हार्ट टचिंग. आई फेल्ट कि जो मैंने मेरे साथ किया, आई कुड डू इट फॉर समवन एल्स ऑल्सो. एंड अगेन दैट पेशेंट मस्ट हैव गिवन मी so many patients because it was a world life changing transformation for him as well.
So you must have had so many stories to share, and like so many people's lives you must have transformed, right? But how do you manage the balance between being an entrepreneur and a coach, in lifestyle and nutrition? So what is?
uh, Again, I'll tell you, I am from such a business category or profession, would like to put it. When you are very sure about, very clear about your approach, right, and when you stick to that approach, so initially it can cause little discomfort. आपको, आप देखोगे कि पेशेंट्स कन्विंस नहीं हो रहे हैं, डॉक्टर्स कन्विंस नहीं हो रहे हैं. वो मेरे साथ इनिशियली हुआ कि हाउ कैन यू आस्क देम कि सब कुछ खाना है, इतने कैलोरीज खाना है, फिर भी वेट लॉस होगा. वो इनिशियली मुझे इशू हुआ. बट एज आई सेड कि एंटरप्रेन्योर की तरह अगर मुझे देखना है, या मुझे इवन इफ मनी फॉर्म में देखना है, what best can happen if your one client or one patient is giving you so many more patients. When you have, so आपके कोई भी जो बिजनेस कैटेगरी रहती है, उसमें सबसे ज्यादा बिजनेस कब हो सकता है? जब लोग आपको रेकमेंड करें,
Correct.
वर्ड ऑफ माउथ हो.
Correct.
So now I have so many doctors. I don't even believe कि मैं ये डॉक्टर्स को एक साल में एक बार जाके मिली होंगी. I don't remember कि लास्ट हम लोग कब मिले होंगे. Still they are sitting somewhere in some corner of the world and referring me.
Wow.
Right?
Amazing.
So that is what I think is a success story as an entrepreneur. And obviously जितने ज़्यादा testimonials है, जितने ज़्यादा recommendations है, your positioning becomes very different. So nowadays I had been called for so many corporate sessions. I had been called for so many consultations with some patients wherein doctor and me, we are sitting together and we are helping the patient कि medically ये करना है and lifestyle and nutrition के साथ ये करना है. So ये जो change आया है, I think is the biggest success story as a business entrepreneur.
Nice. So also I would like to ask you this, as a woman entrepreneur, woman leader, what is a unique perspective do you bring to health and wellness industry? Because in terms of women health and all of that.
Awareness. It all starts with awareness. It all starts with right education. So I don't know, maybe I may be able to help a lot of people to change their perspective towards weight reduction, weight management, nutrition. What I feel is, even though they don't enroll with me, even they do one consultation with me, even though I am doing a lot of sessions with NGOs or corporates, what I feel is, if I bring a right type of education for this nutrition and lifestyle coaching or for weight management, it's the first step towards what I want to do.
Nice.
Whatever I do. So कई बार आते हैं पेशेंट्स, 1 घंटा हमारी बात होती है, वो एनरोल करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, बट उनका पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज होता है. वो भी मेरे लिए सक्सेस स्टोरी है.
Of course, yeah.
या सो इसीलिए कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मे बी दे वांट टू लूज 10 kgs एनी हाउ. They have something in their top of mind कि this is the goal, I want to do this. For example, a lady who wants to conceive. तो उसको तो अप्रोच नहीं देखना है अभी, उसको वही देखना है कि मुझे कैसे भी करके वेट लॉस करना है, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. They're very desperate about it. They're very anxious about it. But the point is, I have to tell them कि you are preparing your body for pregnancy.
Yeah.
So you cannot deprive yourself from food. You cannot put yourself कि आप एक प्रॉब्लम से निकल के दूसरी प्रॉब्लम की तरफ जा रहे हो. अल्टीमेटली आप फिर कम खाओगे, फिर चाइल्ड के लिए प्रॉब्लम होगा, आपके बॉडी के लिए प्रॉब्लम होगा, पोस्टपार्टम वेट गेन विल बी द प्रॉब्लम. सो ब्रिंगिंग इन राइट अमाउंट ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड अवेयरनेस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप आई वांट टू डू एवरीवेयर आई गो.
Wow, amazing. I also would like to ask you, what is that common nutrition myth that which you think people would stop believing? What's that one myth?
Eating less will help you lose weight. Eating right is going to help you lose weight, remain healthy, help your medical conditions, but eating less is never going to help you.
Nice.
और ये मैंने बहुत सालों तक खुद फॉलो किया है. So I think this is the
yeah.
biggest myth I want to break.
Yeah. What advice would you give to someone starting their health journey right now?
Follow science. Follow the right approach. Don't do anything what you cannot do for lifetime.
Yes.
If you can't adopt it as your way of life, as your lifestyle, this is not going to help you in a
Yeah.
long way.
Yeah.
And obviously, if you are still doing it, don't play with your body and mind. Because again and again, when you are going through one situation that you lose weight and gain weight, it is going to hit you mentally as well as physically.
Yeah.
So whatever is against the nature, it is going to have some side effects in your body.
Yeah. Yeah.
So better is to stay to the basics of nutrition, follow the right scientific approach, and look for the broader way. Maybe 3 months में 10 kgs नहीं, 4 kgs, 5 kgs, 6 kgs होगा, but ये 6 kgs अगर कभी वापस नहीं आएगा, it is purely
Yeah.
fat loss, not only water weight loss, then that is your way. That is the right way of doing it. So follow the concept of moderation. Anything in moderation is good.
What's your vision for Aura NutriHeal for the next 5 years?
Obviously, so right now I have another company which I have formed, Aura Square LLP.
Huh.
And we had been doing a lot of patients. So the first goal was to get direct patients. Now, as I said, that we are at a level that one patient is referring a lot of patients. The second was that doctor starts recommending us. They also feel that this is the right way of doing it. They understand science better than us. So we have already achieved that also. A lot of doctors had been recommending us. Now the third is corporates. So I have already formed a LLP, and we are doing around 40-45 corporates now. And the corporates is not only about, again, doing consultations with the patients. These can be purely awareness programs, right? Again, for corporates, it's necessary to understand that their productivity can increase by 60 to 65% if they follow right way of nutrition. And especially the corporates जहाँ पे employees 3 meals लेते हैं कैफेटेरिया से, वहाँ पे आप देखोगे बहुत सारे myths होंगे, बहुत सारे लोग गलत follow कर रहे हैं. Obviously, and for corporates, it is a way of showing their care and concern for their employees, to engage with their employees. So right now we had been doing a lot of corporates where we ask them the 3 top challenges they are facing today. And we try to customize our plans like that, programs like that. It can be a consultation, it can be an awareness program, or it can be a one-on-one conversation and solving their FAQs.
Nice.
Yeah. So my vision for Aura is to at least have 250 corporates under Aura Square LLP by the end of 2026.
Wow, amazing.
So that is what I love. That is why, and when you are doing enough patients, enough doctors, if I have to look at the broader perspective, broader vision, then I think corporates is the new bus. And for that, if you allow me to, put it here. So I had been doing podcasts with a lot of doctors.
Wow.
So the point of inviting these different doctors and health and wellness professionals was never doing something with profit or finances. It was just that we create awareness कि आपको कुछ भी problem होता है, the first thing you do is to Google.
Yeah.
Or to check reels or on YouTube. But the point is, one size fits all. One solution fits all problems is a wrong concept. Your body is different, my body is different. And then you keep doing trial and error with your body and life, right?
Yeah.
So we have different doctors coming on this show and talking about the basic, health issues or health conditions and what should you do in what condition.
Yeah.
Right? So this was done with the pure intention that we put it across with the corporates that we are doing all these wellness programs. So my goal is to have 250 plus corporates by the end of 2026.
Amazing. Anything else that you would want to add into the podcast?
No, just if I have to end this, quick takeaways क्या होना चाहिए, तो quick takeaways वही होना चाहिए कि please do what is sustainable, what you can do for your lifetime. Don't fall into any quick fixes. Don't keep your goals only in kgs. कि 5 kgs, 10 kgs lose करना है, इतने time period में करना है. Think that if you want to be 65 kgs, you should be 65 kgs all your life.
Wow.
Don't आप वो वहाँ पे oscillate मत होते रहो 65-75 के बीच में, and have amazing relation with your food.
Nice.
Food plays a vital role in your mood uplifting, in your whatever you are doing in your life. If you're if you have amazing relation with your food, you'll enjoy
Hmm.
whatever you're doing.
Thank you so much, Baljit, for all of this and coming down and sharing all these insights. It was truly, truly inspiring, and the work that you have been doing, changing lives of so many people. And to all our listeners, if you have enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share it with your friends. You can find Baljit's work at Aura NutriHeal. Thanks for tuning in to Be You, and until next time, stay well and eat well. Bye.